Hi everybody, in this brief video I'm going to talk specifically for the discussion board and the requirements. So for the discussion boards there are two main pieces that need to be completed. The first piece or the first part is chapter reflection. So you need to, let me go and show you what I mean by that. So if you go to the Learning Module 1, for example, that will be the first official chapter. So here is the chapter, here is the discussion board instructions. So chapter focus, specific learning outcomes, directions. Here, this is the important. So read the assigned text chapter, complete the reflection part, which will be chapter 1. Choose one set of questions listed below, part or A, part B, and submit comprehensive responses. Write one higher order thinking question. Actually, I should have added one more step over here. So, but those are pretty much the same. Maybe I should go back and update it very quick. Hi everyone. The purpose of this video is to explain what are the requirements for discussion boards. Briefly, discussion boards every week has two main parts. First one is chapter reflection part. So what I would like you to read the chapter and complete a kind of statement that will help you to reflect or tell us what you think about the chapter and how chapter impact your perspective on educational assessment. So those are the 5 suggestions that you can use while drafting your chapter reflection part. And the second big piece is online discussions. So let me switch to the one of the actual discussion board and explain it. So here are the the learning goals and objectives for the chapter 1. Here are the directions for the assignment. So read the assigned chapter text and complete the reflection part. Choose one set of questions and write one higher order thinking question. Comment at least one peer original post. Respond at least one question posted by your peers. Here's how it works. This is part 1. So after you reading the assigned chapter, I would like you to complete this statement over here. Tell us briefly, this chapter is about da da da, and the point is this. In relation to my own teaching experience and experiences as a student, this chapter makes me think about that, and my reflection to this chapter is this one. The difference between 2 and 3 is not really clear, but I just would like to tell that the first piece, asking what the chapter reminds you when you look back your learning experiences as a student. But in the reflection part, I would like you to criticize a piece of information that you found really useful in the chapter. So this is the main difference between part 1 and 2. So first one is your experiences. You may say that, in high school I took this course, or in one of the courses teacher did this one, which is good or bad. This chapter reminded me that. And reflection to this chapter is, in this chapter says that, but I agree, disagree, or based on my experiences it's not true, or this type of thing. So this is the main difference between part 1 and 2. Second piece or second part of discussion board is actual discussion questions. So as it is stated over here under directions, choose one set of questions. So I gave you options, part A or part B. Choose one of them. Do not respond to both of them. I will be happy to assign you extra credit if you do both, but the requirement is only one. And write your response to these discussion board questions, which is your original post. At the end of your original post, I would like you to write one higher order thinking question to facilitate further discussions related to a assigned chapter at the end of your original post. Keep in mind that this is an opportunity to ask questions to learn your peers about their practical experiences. I know that not all of you are teaching currently, and you would like to know, or you would like to learn more about what's going on in K-12, or how teachers use assessments, or whatever you read from the chapter. So this is a really good opportunity for you to ask questions to learn more about the practice. And next, I would like you to comment one peer original post. So as you may remember, you answered these questions, which is your original post. So read one of your peers, or more than one, what your peers post on these questions, and just reflect on them and just comment them. And then I would like you to respond one critical question posted by your peers. So do not ask your own question and answer your own question. Find a question that you have, you have the answer. I mean, if you are teaching, or if you know the answer, you think that you may enhance this person's understanding and perspective on this question, please go ahead and answer their question. Again, if you answer more than one question, or if you comment more than one peer post, most likely you will be able to get some extra point on that. So those are the core requirements for discussion boards. Thank you.